again with another video. So I got my rear tires in the back. My front tires, unfortunately, they're not here, and I've canceled the order, so I'm just gonna buy it at a different website or whatever, because I waited like 12 days for the tires, and they were the front tires actually shipped on June 1st, 2 days after I purchased all 4 of those tires. On the 4th, these 2 rear tires came in, and on the 10th, the front tires were supposed to come in, but they didn't. But anyways, my front tires have some pretty good meat on them. I just wanted to replace all 4 tires, that way everything's brand new. But it is what it is. I'm just gonna have to wait and find some other tires online, that way they can actually ship in on the day that, you know, it's supposed to be delivered, you know. Some other parts that I bought was some BMR suspension, lower control arms. I am at work right now, and we're gonna install all these parts, and we're gonna be done. Alright guys, I got the hammer tone lower A-arms. I'm going to get the upper control arms and the sway bar link soon, but I'm just installing these because I have them already, and I can't wait. So I'm gonna install these. I'm gonna let you guys know how the ride quality of this is. It's pretty light, really light too. This is adjustable. They only have adjustables. They don't have a solid piece. So this is on all of the Trans Ams and the Camaros and whatnot. So this is where the shock will mount right here, and this is where the sway bar would mount right here, or sway bar length, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna put everything together, and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. That way, if you're trying to replace a lower A-arm, you'll know how to do it with the proper tools and everything. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, I finally got the old lower control arm out. It's bolts that go right here in the hole and up there and across there. I had to unlock my steering wheel because it was locked and I couldn't turn. This whole assembly right here, the brakes and everything, and the spindle. So I finally got that bolt out. I needed to lift this all the way up, and then that way this steering rack right here can lift as far as it can, so I can take this bolt out. I have to take this sway bar out as well, and move it to the side because it was hitting up against here since it sits over on top. Just have to get this left upper control arm in, and the one on the passenger front as well, and also put these tires on too. One more thing too, make sure they all match up because this is an adjustable, and I think it lowers the car maybe about ½ inch, I don't know. So make sure everything is in the exact same spot, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, I finally put the lower control arms on and the sway bar links. I got everything bolted in, so Rocket Bird's good to go. Alright guys, it's currently the next week. I'm sorry I didn't end the video earlier, so this video is actually about a week old now. Again, I'm sorry because I post videos super late and I need to stop doing that. But anyways, the car runs great on the road. The front A-arms are doing great. The car actually lifts up a bit more when I accelerate and I floor it and everything, and it's just a blast, guys. These front tires are wearing down a little bit actually on the edge, if y'all can see, and that's because my alignment, I have to straighten the car up a bit more. My front upper control arms are probably bad, so I'm probably gonna get some BMR suspension for that too, that way it can track straight. But for the most part, I have pretty good tread in the front, but eventually these front tires are gonna go away. I'm gonna go with some super steel 595s in the front, just like I did in the back. The rear tires are looking great. They're wearing out pretty evenly. They grip really well on the road, and like every time I floor this car, it just hooks and books, and I'm loving it. More BMR suspension coming soon for the car, and engine mods as well. If y'all like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Greatest Hits out.